Hi, I'm Diana Hernandez, Communication System for the City of Enid, and we are with Maggie Jackson, Community Director,
Community
Engagement Director for Garfield County Health Department. We are at the Enid Drive-Thru testing spot. Now, Maggie, thank you very much for taking time to meet with us because we know that you are busy this morning. So do you want to enlighten us what people are going to expect? Well, first let's go to the prerequisites, the criterion.
Yes. We will be testing people with symptoms of COVID-19 or coronavirus. That means if you have a fever or you have a cough or you have shortness of breath and you're over 18 or you know you've been in contact with someone with a confirmed coronavirus case, then we can test you this morning. So all of those people will be able to come.
Okay, what will people expect right when they pull up? We are at the Chisholm Trail Expo Center, and the hours are from 10
a.m. to 2 p.m. or until we run out.
So when people drive up, what are they going to be expecting when they drive up to the Expo Center?
Yes, you must stay in your vehicle. One of our first goals is keeping everybody safe. So we need you to keep your windows rolled up. And if you're worried about being exposed, you will not get sick by coming because everybody will be in a vehicle, and the only person in contact with the sick person will be our nurses in full protective gear. So we will have you stay in your vehicle, make sure you have a full tank of gas and can wait for a little bit. We have no idea what the line will look like, but we've got a few people already lined up. So don't worry about coming right at 10. We're hoping we'll have plenty of tests to spread out throughout the morning. So you enter in the north side of the Chisholm Trail Expo Center. That's 111 West Purdue. And you come in the north side and there'll be some cones that direct you. We've got a couple, Garfield County Sheriff and the Enid Police Department. We're so thankful they're helping us out today, making sure we're safe and all the traffic is flowing nicely. So you'll pull in that and you'll be directed to the first spot where they'll make sure you qualify to be tested.
Now, Maggie, what is behind us?
Okay, so when you are in the drive-thru line, if you do qualify for a test, you'll come in through the coned lanes to the, this is the breezeway. It's south of the big Expo Center. If you've ever been out here for an event, you can stay in your car, stay nice and warm, and our nurses will come to your vehicle in their protective gear. They're just keeping themselves safe, but they're smiling underneath their mask, and they are going to ask you a few questions, and they'll take it's a swab in your nose like you would for the flu. It goes to the back of your nose, and that's all it'll be. It gets sent to the lab.
Now I want to indicate that it is one per vehicle.
Yes, yes. We can only test one person in each house and one person per vehicle. So if you bring your family, we'll only be able to test the person with the sickest condition, the sickest person.
And do you have any idea of how many people you guys think are going to be here testing? Because you already have the number of test kits, you've already released that number.
Yes.
And what is that number, and what is your presumed number?
Sure. We know in other areas across the state they're doing these tests today as well, and some have been smaller because people are currently not as, maybe they've been sick before but they're not sick today, but we have 250 tests. We did receive 100 donated tests from Integris Bass Enid, so thankful that they were able to support us with that, so it almost doubled our capacity, so we'll be able to do 250 tests today. So we don't, I can't predict it, but I don't know if we'll do that many tests today. I can't imagine that many people are sick, but I know people are out there. If you've heard of someone that has been sick and they may not be on social media, if you could give them a call, don't go in their house, but knock on their door, say, 10 to 2, Expo Center, you can get a quick free test, and we'll get you results so you can know if you have the virus or not.
Now, when it comes to results, who is doing the lab that is doing the testing for you, and what is the turnaround time?
Yes. So this event was short notice because the governor worked with OSU to expand their lab to be able to process COVID-19 tests. So we're thankful for OSU. They're going to be working on our tests. They've just started processing tests, so we can't predict the exact turnaround time. I know 600 tests are going to be done across the state today, so that's a lot to work on. So I am sure they're going to be as fast as they can. People who have a positive result will get a phone call, and people who have a negative result may not be contacted. So we'll start putting on Facebook, putting it out to the media when our positive results are coming back. So if you don't get a call, you know you're in the clear and you're negative.
Thank you. Now, is there anything else that we haven't touched on? Anything that you want to tell the viewers?
Yeah, we're just still emphasizing, if you come today, you are you're going to be safe in your vehicle. You stay in vehicle. You want to be just give us some patience. It's cold outside. We didn't plan for the weather, so we're staying warm inside the Expo Center. We appreciate them, but be patient with our team. They're working so hard to make sure we can get more information about coronavirus in Garfield County. Other counties are welcome to come too. We want to keep it to Oklahoma residents, but we are welcoming people from other communities to please call your friends in Northwest Oklahoma to come to Enid.
One more question before we close out. Do they need to bring anything specific, insurance card, or?
No, we will not be. We'll be taking your information. You'll call a phone number, so you will not roll down your window. You'll call. We'll talk to you over the phone so that no one has to be in contact. And we will take your basic information, your demographic information, but you do not have to have an insurance card or any documentation.
Okay. Thank you very much, Maggie, for taking your time and showing us how it's going to be. Now, for all the viewers who are out there, please spread the news that there is a testing drive-through pod here in Enid, and it's very important to get this testing out, these news out to the community. So, Chisholm Trail Expo Center, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You do not have to bring any documentation. One will be tested per vehicle, and if you need more information, you can go to our page, City of Enid, Oklahoma Government page, and we will have all those prerequisites on that page for you to look over before you get here. Thank you.
Thank you, Enid.